we are left with little bit portion of chapter number 16 that we were doing yesterday in David Copperfield, and in that we know that David is really scared about his past, and when Mr. Macweber comes, he is really scared that Mr. Macweber will talk about David's past to Heap and Heap's family, and he doesn't want his secret to come out. He doesn't want everybody to know his past. Okay. David expresses his sympathy for the poor Macwebers at the awful news. So now what happens is the Macweber tells David Copperfield that look, અમે લોકો જોબ ગોતવા ગયા હતા પણ પ્લાયમાઉથમાંથી અમને બહાર ફેંકી દીધા. હવે અમે અહીંયા આવ્યા છીએ, અમારી પાસે હોટેલના બી પૈસા નથી, મની ઓર્ડર કર્યો છે, મની ઓર્ડર આવશે તો અમે હોટેલનું બિલ ચૂકવશું. So David is feeling very bad about the condition in which the Macwebers are. Mr. Macweber invites David to have dinner with them the next evening. So Mr. Macweber tells David that in the evening you have dinner with me, have dinner with us. Weirdly, that night David sees Mr. Macweber and Uriah Heep walking by his home at Mr. Wicklefield's arm in arm. So that night, after that night, what happens is Uriah Heep and Mr. Macweber have met each other. They are walking hand in hand and they are walking arm in arm. And this is what something which David sees, and now David is scared that Mr. Macweber will share his secrets, will share David's past to Heep. So શું થાય છે, મિસ્ટર મેકવેબર જે છે એ ડેવિડને કહે છે કે તું અમારી હારે ઇવનિંગના ડિનર કરજે, અમારી હારે ઇવનિંગના તું જમવા આવજે. સો એ રાતના ડેવિડ જોવે છે કે મિસ્ટર મેકવેબર અને હીપ ભાઈ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ થઈ ગયા છે અને હાથમાં હાથ નાખીને અને દોસ્તીવાળા હાથ લાઈક યુ નો ભાઈ આમ ખંભે ઉપર હાથ રાખીને ભાઈ વોક કરતા હોય છે, અને ડેવિડને એવું લાગે છે કે કદાચ મિસ્ટર મેકવેબર હીપને એના પાસ્ટના રિલેટેડ વાત કરશે તો હી ઇઝ વેરી અશેમ્ડ ઓફ હિઝ પાસ્ટ. When David goes the next day to have dinner with Macwebers, Mr. Macweber informs David that he has been drinking brandy at Mr. Heap's house. Mr. Macweber tells David that someday Uriah Heep might become an attorney general. So now what happens is that that night when David has gone to have dinner with Mr. Macweber's family, so Mr. Macweber tells David કે હું Uriah Heepના family હારે મળ્યો હતો અને Uriah Heepના family હારે મેં brandy પીધું. Brandy is a alcoholic drink. So Mr. Macweber had drank brandy with the Uriah Heep and Uriah Heep's family, and Mr. Macweber thinks that Uriah Heep will someday become an attorney general. Attorney general એટલે law ભણશે અને lawyer બનશે. So this is what Mr. Macweber is talking to David about. David worries that Mr. Macweber have told Uriah Heep too much about David's history, but he doesn't want to ask Mr. Macweber point blank what he has said about David. Once again, David is very uncomfortable. Mr. and Mrs. Macweber are high in spirits, constantly toasting one another and singing. Because they are in such high spirits, David is astonished when he gets a letter from Mr. Macweber at 7 a.m. the following morning. So now what happened is that David is really scared. Now David is really worried that Macweber મારા related કાંઈ હિપને કીધું હશે કે નહીં કીધું હોય, and David doesn't want to ask directly to Mr. Macweber કે ભાઈ તે કીધું છે કાંઈ, એવું એને directly નથી પૂછવું, એટલે he is very uncomfortable. And whole night Mr. Macweber and Miss Macweber are singing and dancing and drinking alcohol and having fun. David goes back home, and next day 7 o'clock early in the morning he gets a letter from Mr. Macweber. No money is coming to Mr. Macweber and he doesn't have cash to pay his hotel and room service. He is completely ruined. David is so worried that he runs over to an inn on his way to school. But halfway there he sees Mr. and Mrs. Macweber riding past him in coach to London, chatting to one another and looking perfectly happy. So David goes to school feeling rather glad they are gone, even though he likes them fine. So he receives a letter from Mr. Macweber saying that he doesn't have money at all. He doesn't know how he will pay the bills and everything. So now David is really worried about Mr. Macweber, and when he is going to school, before going to school he goes to the hotel to see how the Macwebers are doing. At this point of time he sees કે Mr. Macweber અને Miss Macweber પોતાની ઘોડાગાડીમાં જઈ રહ્યા છે લંડન ટુવર્ડ્સ, અને ભાઈ વાતુચીતું કરે છે, and they are in good spirits, they are laughing and talking. So Davidને લાગે છે કે મેટર સોલ્વ થઈ ગયો હશે એટલે એ લોકો નીકળી ગયા અને they are fine now. and he is also happy that they are gone because he doesn't want his past to come out. He likes Mr. MacWeber and Miss MacWeber, but he is scared about his past. Okay, so this is the chapter number 17 that we had done. Okay, and today we'll start with chapter number 18.